Hi everyone, this is Subhashri, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Science and Engineering from SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to see about the files, models and packages. In this particular video, we'll just see in depth about the files. In the files, we have different three types of files like text files, binary files and CSV files. So we'll see in depth what is about the text file, how the text file can be read and how the text file can be edited, and what are the types of binary files we have, and CSV files how we can save and how we can operate. All these functions we'll just see on the particular video. So the topics which we are going to discuss today are what is files and what are the text files we have in Python, how we'll read and write the particular files, and what are the terminologies we are using for reading and writing a particular file. So first of all, if you take the files in Python, we'll have a particular file location in the computer disk for storing the data, whether it may be permanently stored or sometimes it may be read-only type of document. So in the computer, which will, sometimes it may get turned off, and sometimes the file may not exist in the particular thing. So how we can back up the particular files can be seen in depth in upcoming videos. So the file handling of the file is being objects have been written, and how we are modeling the particular file. So these are the concepts which we are going to discuss in depth. So first thing is text files. In the text files, for example, if you are giving a code in a binary language, the machine will read the code only in the binary language. After that, it will understand the particular code, and after that, it will start processing the code, right? For example, in the image, if you see, it will start reading the file. After that, it will read out the input and output function what we are giving. After that, it will have a string input and output phases of work, and then the file will be written. Like it will use the commands like try to start the block, and also handle the particular error which you are going to raise. And if there is no error, it will start opening the file with the help of open of command. It will read the file, and finally it will ensure the code inside how it works, and it will give you the output back. So reading and writing of files in the Python. So first thing is to read a file. It will just start reading the file in a binary language, which helps. First of all, we need to open the file to read the input what we are given inside the file. So open of file function is being used, and the file objects is being read, and finally the close of command is used to close the particular file. Inside in it, the file operations will be carried out, and the prototype and testing phases will be done. Sometimes the unit testing for particular portions also will be done. The first thing is what we want to empathize in this particular thing is how we are going to give the text file inside the machine, and how it is being converted into a binary file. First, whether the data is being stored permanently, or sometimes it may be a read-only file. If it is a read-only file, sometimes if we are not saving that, the data may be lost. So in the real world example, for example, for saving a mark of a student in a file, we had to log in the record, and after that we had to store the data logs inside. After that, after storing it, you can read and you can update the file, or you can just write inside the file. You can write anything, or you can just close the file with the help of the close command. So the problem statement which is being defined in the Python is how we'll handle the file, how we are creating the file, how we are reading the file, then how we are writing it. With the help of R command, we can read the file. W command, we can write the file, and append of command is used to append the contents, new contents inside the file. After that, the file is being closed properly. So the ideate phase, what we are going to ideate is how we are going to interact with the use cases we have. That is how we are going to store the student records, how the log user action will be carried out, and how we are saving the sensor data. So these are the things we are going to ideate inside the thing. After that, we are building the code, like to write the particular portion of a file. The write command, W command is being used, and to read the thing, RF command is read off, and R command is being used to append the thing. A character A is being used to append the thing, and after that the file is being closed. So the test phase, which help you to test whether the file is being properly read, and we have written something in any content inside it, and whether the appending process has been taken place. So this is how test and evaluation phases will be carried out. So you can just check out the assessment, and If you have any doubts, you can comment below. Thank you all. Let us see you on the next lecture series.